guys, it's Angie, and today we're going to be unboxing one of these Harry Potter mystery wands that I found from Walmart. I'm sure if you're a Harry Potter fan, you've probably seen these in the stores already, but it looks like we can get Luna Lovegood, Nymphadora Tonks, Lord Voldemort, a Death Eater wand, Harry Potter, Hermione's wand, Ron's, Draco's, or Neville Longbottom's wand. So it says the wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter, on the front, and I'm hoping that I don't get a Death Eater or Lord Voldemort because I really want Luna Lovegood. So let's go ahead and see who we get. Oh. Okay, we don't know yet. How do you open it? Oh, right here. Mr. Brody, are you excited? Don't be Voldemort. Don't be Voldemort. Oh, who do we get? Oh, not another Weasley. We got Ron Weasley's wand. So here's what the wand looks like. It's Alohomora. Boop, Mr. Brody. So here's what Ron's wand looks like. It looks like I'm gonna have to go back to Walmart and get another one because I really want Luna Lovegood's wand. But this is pretty sturdy. And it came with like a 3D, 2D bookmark, it looks like. So here's what that looks like. So thanks for watching, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go get another one and try to get Luna Lovegood's. Right? See you in the next video. Bye!